Hey, what's up everybody, it's Royce from Pedal Mill. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out two different 1/64 scale resin cast Porsche 917K, which is a short tail, and they are from PORSCHE. Or if you're into 1/18 scale cars, you might know them as Spark. Spark and PORSCHE are the same company as far as I can tell, because the logo looks the same. And we will check out these 1970 Porsches right now. We'll get right into it. We'll take them apart, or debox them I should say. I had purchased both of these directly from China, and I got them in a couple weeks, which is pretty good because I've ordered a few other things from China, and I've always had pretty good luck getting toys, especially direct from China. But I had ordered a half scale model, a metal model Sten machine gun not too long ago, and that's been a few months, and I've 3 months I guess. I'm thinking it's lost in the mail, and the guy has not written me back, so I have a feeling that's a write-off at this point. I don't think my model's coming in the mail. I think it's pretty much gone. So there we have them in the case. Let me put my gloves on so I don't get everything all fingered up. My hands are all boogered up anyway. Nobody wants to see a dirty mechanic's hands. Alright, so we have this one here, number 22, and it is a Michael Halewood David Hobbs. Ran in 24 hours at Le Mans. My initial impression is they look pretty good. I was thinking these were resin, but I think it is die cast metal. It feels like it. I thought they were resin. Doesn't say anywhere, I don't think. Anyway, pretty sure it feels like it's metal to me. But we will dismount these and take a look at them. Oh wow, this is nice. I love these quarter turn. Oh, the fly's back. Great. There he is on my hand right there. Why wish he would just go away? How long do they live? I thought they only lived a few days. I love that. I love the way these dismount. That is just so cool, so fast. You don't have to worry about finding a screwdriver. Yeah, that's nice. I really like that, how you got the quarter turn. And it's nice here they tell you the driver's name and the race. So this one we have Brian Redmond and Joe Seifert. Oh, got a little issue there. The top was the top's popped off. I don't know if you can see that. This must be plastic. This upper panel here is, you can kind of see there me squeezing on it and pushing it down. I might be able to, oop, that didn't sound good. I might be able to fix that, but either way, these are pretty detailed in person for the money. I think I didn't pay that much for them. I think like $10 or $12 a piece with free shipping from China. I don't think they were a whole lot, maybe 15 at the most. But even like those vents look good on the fender there. Details. I like the little, we got rain tires on this one here. Not sure how accurate that green is in the front there. I guess that'd be the oil cooler screen, I think, in the front. But I love the way they did the fiberglass, raw fiberglass color for the fan. You know, these had the flat 12 motor in them. Wow, the details on these are just spectacular though. This one, the roof is sitting flush. Wheels look great. The molds, that's what I don't like about the newer Hot Wheels 917 is they didn't use the wheel mold they used for the 100% series, which they were spot on. It's a shame they don't look more like this. They had to put those really goofy, huge new 5-spokes on it, and it just looked really bad. There's the flies back. But boy, these look great though. I gotta see if I can get this fixed there. I think it's because in the corner here of the window there's a little bit of a, like a piece of plastic. It's kind of holding it from going down the whole way. Might not, there you can kind of see how it's lifted up a little bit. That's a bummer, but all other views of it are spectacular. I think I'm coming down with a cold, so my voice is changing. So let's move in. Or monkeypox. Maybe I have monkeypox. That'd be pretty wild, huh? I have monkeypox. So there we go. We're gonna spin around and take a look. Hopefully I don't have monkeypox. That's not good. That's an interesting laugh about that. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure they're gonna want to jab me, whatever it is that you have, the newest, greatest, latest thing. I don't know, but I think I want to get, I know they have the 1970 Le Mans winner, the red Salzburg livery, red with the white scallops. I want to get that one next at some point, because these, you really can't beat them for the money. And if you're somebody like me who I collect 917 items and toys, so it's kind of like a no-brainer, because these are absolutely spectacular for the whatever they are. I think they're like $12 or $15. It's been a long time since I ordered these. I've had these several months and just didn't get around to doing any kind of videoing, and took some time away from the video camera. You guys have to let me know down below what you think. The only thing I would say I wish these had would be some lettering on the tires, perhaps. Maybe that would be the, you know, the cherry on the ice, cherry on the ice cream, I guess you want to say, or to top it off. But I don't know, really cool. Maybe I'll get a few more and I could weather a couple up, would be cool. Maybe the one with the boogered up roof there, if I can't get it fixed, I'll somehow weather it and kind of hide the fact that the back section's sticking up a little bit. You have these little wings seem kind of fragile on the back there, but these are not made for children anyway, so it wouldn't really matter. But the colors look spot on, with the golf blue, and the orange looks spot on. Everything looks great. I really like, the more I get looking at it, which I'm not even sure if that's a tampo, but it looks like it is a tampo process. As I'm off camera, I'm sorry. But the black stripes on the edging of this main orange stripe is spectacular. I mean, I hate to keep saying spectacular, but this thing really is amazing. They even painted in, there's little, you can see right there, black lines on the NACA vents, or the ducts there. You can see a little black line that's, you know, to give it an illusion that it goes through into the underneath. Amazing. We have the two red seats are in there. You have the small one, which was FIA. You had to have it for FIA, which is basically only an 8-year-old kid could probably sit in it. But right there you can see how short that passenger seat is compared to the driver's seat. As an obnoxious Honda just went by. But man, these are just Firestone. I guess, yeah, that would have been the tires on this one. I'm not sure. This is probably Firestone as well. Yeah, they're both Firestone. Would have been the tire choice for that race. The sponsor. How cool is that? You guys have to let me know down below. Do you guys collect Sparky or anything like that? How do you feel about all these newer companies coming out? And I am pretty sure this is die-cast metal. I couldn't find it anywhere on the boxes, but they are very, very heavy. Heavier than I thought they would be out of the box. Oh, that flies drive me nuts. So there you go. That was a quick one. Hopefully that was a 10-minute mark right there. Hopefully you guys liked that. The next video up I'm going to be doing is the 1970 hauler from Schuco. I've had that now probably 6-7 months, and I've never even opened the box up. So that is coming up next. So do not miss that. I will hopefully I can get these guys to fit in the back of that, or we can see how they look surrounded by that. It's not a Golf, it's the Golf, it's just the red one with the Porsche logo, but you'll see it coming up on the next video. If you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. I'm also on Instagram. You can catch me there every day. That's where I'm at mostly, is on Instagram. I did have a TikTok account, but they yanked all my videos for whatever reason, which made no sense to me because they were all clean videos. I've asked them twice now to restore them. I've yet to hear back, and now when I try to get on there, it says my account is locked on TikTok. So that's really, really, really frustrating, and it makes me not even want to deal with them ever again because of this issue. So I'll just do some short reels, probably on Instagram, and then I think some of those do sometimes transfer over to the Facebook page as well. All right, so thanks for checking it out, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Stay safe. All right, bye now.